Thank you so much for watching Nadia's Kitchen Creations, and if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comments section. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and even more importantly, please share this video on your social media. All those shares do help this video be discovered and helps this channel to grow. And also head on over to nadiadanelle.com for the full and printable recipe. All of my recipe videos that you see are on nadiadanelle.com. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.